Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing my mystery box, October 2021, from the Witches box. This is one of my favorite items of the year. She does it every April and October typically, because I don't get the box regularly. So I'm very excited to share this with you guys. Let's open it up. I am going to say it feels a little bit lighter than usual. But we'll see. They are definitely sold out, but I'll leave a link below so that you can get on the waiting list and they give you an email when it comes out. Oh my god! Coffin nails! Oh! Very, very excited. I love it. Coffin nails. I do not have any Coexist bumper sticker. Very cool. We have a card. I love these little paper clips that she has too. I save those. Absolutely love them. So I got a paper clip. I got, I don't know what this card is. Is it the Lovers? Confused. Wow, I don't know. We got beautiful Book of Shadows artwork. So, whichever ones I have duplicated will be in the next Witchy yard sale, because I do have some of these, but I'm not sure. I'll have to double check. So we got Rose, Salt, Love Alignment Mantra Ritual, Sea Bean, that's really cool, Rose of Jericho, Money Shoal Journal, that's interesting, Rose Quartz, Cinnamon, Strategic Shoal Creation. Interesting. I'm going to have to read about what they mean by that. Bay. Money Shoal Journal. So I got a second one of these. Sunflower. I think it says Sigilmancy. I wish I could see. Oh, Hydromancy. Hydro. Hydromancy. Very cool. It's when you're scrying in water. The Morrigan Protection Salt. Everything's sideways because I don't think you can get the whole thing in the frame. Invoke Yourself Ritual. Very interesting. And Quartz. So these are all very lovely Book of Shadow pages. I'm super excited about that. I will have to kind of gauge which ones I have as duplicate and, you know, share the extras with you guys. So let's get some of these dealy bops out of the way. Aw, we got a beautiful sunflower. Dried sunflower bloom. Very nice. Oh my god. We've got a journal. I believe this is the third or fourth time I've gotten this journal. It's a beautiful journal, but I do believe that I have one. Let me double check though, just to be sure, because I could be crazy, but I do believe I have one. Rose of Jericho. I know I have a ton of these. They're very nice. I like them. Got a little box here. Let's see what we got. I like boxes. It's got a triquetra on top. Oh, there we go. Nice little box. Spell in it. Alright, we've got this box here. I believe I got one of these in the last time, but let me see if it's maybe a different spell. Oh, yes, this one's a money invocation. And it's a money. Oh, look at that. Very cool. It's a money jar with the money invocation information on the top. Let's look at that. So it comes with these little spell papers. The bottle. The spell. So that's really cool. neat little thing. See here, rose petals, definitely be in the yard sale because I have a ton that I harvested from my own house. Allspice, probably also because I have a ton. Oh, a sea bean. I do not have. Look at that thing, so cute. I do not have a sea bean, so that's going to be in my collection. Oh, and it feels so neat. Wow. And I got the Book of Shadows page on it, so that's going to be really fun. A new thing. I always enjoy getting something I don't have. Citrine chips, very nice for like a money or self-confidence spell. Polvo Místico, Sachet Power, Juan el Conquistador. I love this kind of thing. Absolutely adore this kind of thing, so I'm very excited about that. We got a beautiful eye pendant from Mal de Ojo. We've got a pendulum mat. We've got a protection bath kit. Very cool. Azure green love bath salt. Wow, this is a lot. Carnelian. Lots of carnelian. Wow. This box is full. Pentagram pocket stone. Ruda! Baños de plantas aromáticas. Rue aromatic herb bath. Look at that. Let me give her a sniff. Oh my god, it smells like heaven. This will cleanse the devil right out of you. Right out of you. What do we got in here? Oh my god. Look at this pretty. So it's rose quartz and it looks like clear quartz. Like a prayer beads or a mala. All right. Palo Santo and Piño Pine incense sticks. And they smell divine. We've got a beautiful red candle. We've got a lovely book on the Morrigan. Meeting the Great Queens. Very interesting. Ooh. This looks like a snake shed, which is cool. I like that. I collect animal parts from my animals, and also I collect roadkill. So that's really cool. This is a big satin yellow tablecloth, and this one is a big kind of like that tapestry that I had last time. The last time was the moon. Is this time the moon too? Let's see. I think it is the moon. Yep. Oh, and that was very popular last time. So a big old moon tapestry. It's basically the size of a door. I can't show you guys. It's too much, but it's a number 18. And then it's a whole big old tapestry. Very cool. Very cool. This was a very nice box. It was a wonderful mix of things. Almost everything I have not gotten from them in the past, and a good amount of the things I've never gotten before, period. So I'm always super pleased about that. That really makes me happy in a lot of ways. Very pleased about this box. I highly recommend it to you because it is just so fun to get like a mishmash of things that they've been working on for the last year, which is kind of nice because it's like I can't commit to regularly getting this box, but if I get the mystery box twice a year, I usually, the things that were meant for me find their way to me, and I like that a lot. So the absolute things I feel like that were meant for me as a person will make it to me through this box. So wonderful concept, absolutely love it. Well worth the money, I do believe. They're typically $100, which compared to their normal price of their box is very comparable. I do like the quality. I do like the originality. So one of the things that I like is that my boxes typically don't overlap. I don't tend to get things in my Witch's Moon boxes that I get in my Sugar Muse boxes when they used to have boxes. Witch's box doesn't have thing that Anita Apothecary has. Everybody's so unique because we're all such different people. And so I highly recommend this to you. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to get on the wait list. Absolutely love it. If you guys know me and you've been coming to my witchy yard sales, you can probably identify the things that are going to be in the next one just because I've sold them before. So I know for a fact that I have another copy of some of those items. But it's just fun. So if you missed it the first time, you know to pay attention for the next sale. I love you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.